Understanding a storm is brewing in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, a storm is brewing. This expression is not just about the weather, but it's a metaphor used in various contexts. Let's dive into its meaning and usage to enhance your English skills. A storm is brewing literally refers to the formation of a storm. It's used in meteorology to describe the atmospheric conditions that lead to storms. This phrase evokes imagery of dark clouds, gusty winds, and an impending change in weather. In a figurative sense, a storm is brewing is a metaphor for a situation where tension or trouble is building up, but the actual conflict or problem hasn't occurred yet. It suggests anticipation or a premonition of upcoming difficulties, similar to how one anticipates a storm when seeing dark clouds gathering. 1. Workplace. With the layoffs rumors, everyone can feel that a storm is brewing in the office. 2. Relationships. After their argument, there was a sense that a storm is brewing between them. 3. Politics. Before the election, political analysts often say a storm is brewing when tensions rise. Use it to describe a situation where you sense upcoming trouble or conflict. It's suitable for both formal and informal contexts. Pair it with words like feel, sense, or anticipate for more impactful sentences. A storm is brewing is a versatile phrase in English, painting a vivid picture of impending change or conflict. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expression effectively in your conversations. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more English language insights.